Hey guys, it's Xavier, and today I'm going to show you guys my Minecraft house. And this house is actually going to be used for a role play called World of Blocks, where there's this kid right here. His name's Kai. My skin right here. He's an adventurous little teenage 15-year-old that faces many problems in life and has to 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 go through many things to complete his adventure. But I'm gonna show you my house in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. It's pretty big. But here we have the fences, a mailbox, and a doorbell. Okay, so these are the steps. That's my sister with the music. But this is Kai's house. No mobs allowed with an exclamation mark. And then here are the doors. And as you can see, there are some pretty cool carpets here, and then there's some of this. And it took me, I think, about 3 days to build this. So basically, here's my bed with my battle log and weapon log. So basically, this shows the mobs I fight in the overworld and the nether, and then this is my weapons log, my weapons origin, my weapon origins, and then it's my TVs, my twin TVs. I just like changing that. Oh my gosh, that sounds is a glitch. Okay, just ignore that sound. And then here is my kitchen. Or in the freezer is some pretty cool food, and yeah, the rest of it. And then so like, just a heads up, I used the furniture model. Man, it's dark. I don't like it dark. I'm afraid it's dark. I'm just kidding. But here's the diving board. So you guys may be wondering, Xavier, what is that little hole down there? Well, I'm gonna show you. So basically, there's a boat here that you can ride. And you may also be wondering, why is that ladder there? Well, I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Right now, this is my weapons bunker with a teleporter going to many places I'm going to be using in the series. Okay, it stopped for a second. So like, I'm going to be using a few of these in the series. I'm going to be using all of them in series, and then I have my weapons. I have the fire admin sword, I have the water admin sword, I have the air admin sword, I have the lightning staff, I have the admin gun, fire dynamite, high jump dynamite, nuclear dynamite, and poisonous dynamite. And then that's pretty much it for this weapons bunker. And then you may be wondering, why is the ladder here? Again, like, this is to actually get up to my house. It's second floor. This is the second floor, basically. This is my lit up bathroom. I don't like it being dark in Minecraft, so that's why there's so many lamps here. And then if you go up these stairs and go around this, I think there's a lot of lag going on right now, you will find my 3 horse stables. So this is Diamond Bolt with the one and only diamond armor. So that's him. And then this is Midas Iron with iron armor. Okay, I think I just, yep. And then finally Goldie, my with the gold armor. And then you will not believe what is in here. So I bet you do not want to see what's in here. Wolf House of Colors. So you may be wondering, oh, is it just a normal wolf house? No, it is insane. Look how many wolves are in there. It's insane the amount of wolves in there. Okay, so like if we go up this ladder right here, and then jump here, I guess. This is where the armor sets this is the final floor. Other than that iron structure right there. And then here are my armors. The Enchantor set. I'm gonna be using this because like at some point in the series, I'm gonna lose my admin weapons. And then here's the Doom Angel set. I'm also going to be using this and that in the point of the series. And then Negative Heaven Nuggets. That's that. And Enchanter Gems. That's what they're made out of. And then here is the Terrorist Disguise. I'm going to be using this and what it comes with to because at some point at some point someone's gonna like steal my money, and then like at this terrorist disguise is used for fooling mobs and desperate robberies. So like soon in the series I'm gonna have to wear the suit, steal some gold, and then track down who stole my money, and then like nether gold. It also fools mobs like plebs. And if you look here, this is the nether portal room. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be going to the nether sometimes in the series. And if you go down here, this is the party porch. This way. Okay, so like this is the bird bath, and then this is like the place where you get money, and then something must be going on with the nether portal. But here is the grill, yeah, the grill, and then like the sausage, rocket bob, and spatula are in here. And then here's a sea lantern pool. It's getting dark again. That's pretty much my entire house. But there are other parts of this. But like you guys may be wondering what this is. So I'm just gonna skip the tracks because there are already I left the last time I was here. I left that thing here. I left the minecart here, and then it says right. It says go right, bring a sword, and follow item frame. So here's a diamond sword. You don't need to take it, but like you are looking to follow these item frames. But what you really want to find is that sign over there. Because right there it says jump. So you jump, you're saved by water or vines, basically. And here's the emergency explosive chests in the teleporter room. So like here are some dangerous explosives. Some of them I don't have back at the house, but here's the way to get back. You just go to the weapons bunker. Oh man, I've got nausea and it's lagging. But if you guys didn't know what's in here, I showed you what's in there at the start of the video. But that is basically my entire Minecraft house. So if you like this house, then leave a comment, subscribe, like, hashtag save the channel. Well guys, that is all for today's video. See ya.